Under a plan developed by the Somali government, 5,000 nomads have come to live in the coastal village of Brava. Brava's origins are said to go back to the 15th century, when the Portuguese traveler Vasco da Gama broke his voyage to India on its shores. The shores of Brava must now be home to those who had never seen the sea before. The fishermen of Brava have taken the newcomers in their fold to teach them how to master the waves, how to harvest the riches of the ocean. For Somalia, turning nomads into fishermen means the growth of a new industry, a new commodity for export. For the drought-stricken nomad, it means the transformation of a way of life in the interest of survival. As homes are built for the new fishermen, the nomadic huts that they brought to Brava will be discarded, and their remaining link with the past will disappear forever. Those who once roamed the deserts are being gradually assimilated into the mainstream of Brava's life. Ravaged by adversity and shunned by hope, they have succeeded in forging a link with a new environment.